Inspiring tale of Kangaroo and Friends English short story. Kangaroo had always been a focused and determined animal. She knew what she wanted in life, and she never allowed anything or anyone to distract her from her goals. Kangaroo's friends, on the other hand, were easily distracted and often lost focus. One day, Kangaroo's friends realized that they needed to work harder and focus more on their goals if they wanted to be successful like Kangaroo. They asked her how she managed to stay so focused and determined all the time. Kangaroo smiled and said, "It's simple. Whenever I feel distracted, I remind myself of my goal and take a moment to reflect on how accomplishing it will change my life." Her friends nodded in agreement, but Kangaroo's answer was not enough. They wanted to know more. So Kangaroo decided to tell them a story about how she became so focused and determined. Years ago, when Kangaroo was just a young Joey, she had a dream of becoming the fastest runner in the outback. She would practice every day, and she would never allow anything to distract her. But one day, when she was out practicing, she saw a butterfly fluttering about, and she took her eyes off the track for just a second. When she turned her attention back to the track, she saw that she had veered off course and was headed towards a tree. In that moment, Kangaroo made a decision. She realized that she needed to be more focused and determined than ever if she wanted to achieve her goal. After that day, Kangaroo never allowed herself to be distracted by anything. She trained harder than ever, and she became the fastest runner in the outback. Her friends were inspired by her story and decided to follow in her footsteps. They practiced harder and focused more, and they too achieved their goals. From that day forward, Kangaroo and her friends were known as the most determined and focused animals in the outback. They had learned the true importance of distraction to focus in achieving great feats.